Just went to some waterfalls.
Filming, filming, hey!
2, 1. Good morning everyone. So this morning we are off to swim actually in the waterfalls, and we have this little joke with Pernilla and you, but basically, yeah, it says Christmas and we always change the letters round. So today I'm gonna do this and see if they realize. So guys, we have now arrived at a really pretty lake actually, and there's one crocodile. I'm kind of scared to swim, but everyone else is, so. Oh. Hey guys, so we just stopped for tea and stuff. We came on the bus and we stopped to get some water and stuff. And now we're going to swim the waterfalls now, guys. We're in Millaa at the moment. Not for long, for like 5 minutes. But so far so good, and the water is actually quite warm, so that's good. And yeah, I will see you guys soon. Guys, we've arrived at the waterfalls that we're gonna be swimming. Oh my god, this is actually amazing.
Watch me flip on the wet rocks, okay guys?
Yeah, whoa.
Yeah.
I just went to some waterfalls. It's freezing, but it's really cool. I mean, this is the best thing ever. We're swimming with the forest, you know, and then you have the waterfall. It's super cool, guys. So guys, we are now at Millaa Falls, where they apparently did a hair advert of what? Herbal essence. This is quite cool actually. Stop it. Anyways, we're gonna go swim now, so this should be fun, and we just stopped off at a place where there were really cool gardens and stuff. So yeah, it was cool, and yep. Josephine Falls, and it's actually pretty cool. I'm picking up the Australian accent, guys. Anyways, there are 3 waterfalls. There's a big one, medium and a small, and apparently it's illegal to swim in the big and the medium, so we can only go in the small. And there are also like these slides, so it's really cool. And we're just gonna go swim now, so I'll see you guys soon.
Filming? Filming, hey!
Is the best way, trust me.
I'm Captain Matty, over here you got Pete, this is Ugly Michael, his name's Stephen. Good bloke, old Richard.
Super Steve.
Yes, here we are at Josephine Falls with the, what's the name of your channel?
Nick and Liv.
With it, there were her?
Nick and Liv.
With the YouTube channel. I'm going to go, I'm feeling really awkward. Bye bye.
applause for Maddie. He had to look after you guys and look after me as well. So.
Sorry, bud.
Hi guys.
Merry Christmas.
Bye, German girls.
That's nice meeting you.
Auf Wiedersehen.
Merry Christmas.
Oh, au revoir. Is that the right? No, it's the wrong language. See you later.
Ciao.
What's fine? It's your language. Ciao. Come on. Can't hug you, but I can shake hands. Can I hug your mum? Can I hug your mum? Come here. Oh, take care. Can I hug your husband?
Yeah,
Come on, gorgeous. Cheers.
Okay guys, so we're back and I'm gonna check if they changed the letters round. Okay, here we are, let's go.
Oh my god.
They changed them again. Okay, what are we gonna do now? Take 2.